Kagatin niya ako.
Wala nang kulungan si Rabbit.
Parrot.
Wala nang kulungan si Rabbit.
Parrot. Parrot?
Alis ka dyan.
Why is there a parrot?
Alo. Ay, something.
Alis ka dyan.
Tara.
A parrot.
Saan to?
My mom caught it using this chair.
Ay, tara.
Nakagat ko sa ako na ito. Can I see?
Uy! Kagatin! Ano yan?
You want to pet it?
Ay, kinagat niya.
Ay, ano ba parang?
Ganda. Saan galing yan? Nakawala siguro.
Hindi ko lang alam.
Hindi naman yan ibon na palipad-lipad lang.
Oh, may ano?
May mayari yan, ha?
May ano?
Ay. May mayari.
Sakit naman yung kagat niya.
Parrot.
Saging.
A parrot. Say hello to Mr. Parrot.
Saan ka galing? Sino amo mo? Sumagot ka. Sino amo mo? Ha?
Mr. Parrot.
Sino amo mo? Ha?
Let's call him.
Sino amo mo? Ha? Wawa na yung rabbit namin. Wala na siyang kulungan. Ang sakit ng kagat niyo. He bite me. Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Put the medicine on it.
What is your name? No.
Peanut.
Baba. No.
He wants to eat it.
No karatot.
So that's why I've been hearing that sound in the sky. Because when I was making the truck wars, the first episode, it landed in here, and I suddenly did this, and it flied over here, and my mom tried to get it, but it got away because my dog just did this, and it got there, and I just gave her this chair to get it, and when she got it, it bit her arm, and she put it in this cage, the rabbit's cage.